Jefferson County in southeastern Georgia until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Scarborough, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Millen, Sylvania, Butts, Hiltonia, Rocky Ford, Woodcliff, Scarborough, Altman, Hiltonia, and Emma Lane. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail.